Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a fade golf shot. A fade, for a right-handed golfer, is when the ball starts slightly left of the target and curves gently to the right. This shot is often caused by an open club face at impact relative to your swing path. We'll explore key adjustments to help you hit straighter shots and gain more control over your ball flight. Let's dive into the fundamentals of correcting this common golf shot. One of the primary culprits behind a fade is an open club face at impact. To correct this, focus on squaring your club face to the target line as you strike the ball. A slightly stronger grip, where you can see 2 to 3 knuckles on your lead hand, can help. This adjustment promotes a more closed club face, reducing the left-to-right spin. Practice feeling the club face close through impact for better results. Beyond the club face, your swing path plays a significant role. An out-to-in swing path, where the club travels across the ball from outside to inside, often exacerbates a fade. To counteract this, strive for an in-to-out path. Visualize swinging your club slightly to the right of your target line. This encourages the club to approach the ball from the inside, promoting a straighter or even a slight draw. Your setup is foundational to a consistent swing. Ensure your body alignment is parallel to your target line, not aimed left. Use alignment sticks on the ground to guide both your feet and club face. Practice drills focusing on a slightly closed club face and an in-to-out swing path. Hit about 20 to 30 balls with these adjustments, paying close attention to the ball flight. Consistent practice will solidify these new habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.